Hey, what's up guys? Today I've got some bearings that I need to remove from a shock linkage on a dirt bike that I'm restoring. I don't have a hydraulic press, so I'm just going to use my shop vise and some sockets to push it out. I'll show you guys how I do that. Alright, so this is the roller bearing race that I've got to get out right here. I've already done these two guys. Push them out with the bench vise. Okay, so one socket, I'm going to use a 27 millimeter just because it happens to be bigger than my race bearing. So when I put that, you can see that it's bigger. So that's going to go on one side of the vise. And then I'm going to use this as the press on the press side to push on the race itself. Okay, so I'm just going to take the big socket. I want to put the big end just like that up against the vise so that when I use the smaller socket, it'll push that race into the bigger one. Okay, I want to make sure that my socket's kind of centered up on that race. I'm going to move it just a little bit. Okay, so I got it set up. I've got the smaller socket pushing on the race. And that socket is small enough to go all the way through the diameter of the hole, and it won't hit or be too tight. And that way I can push it into the bigger socket over there and use the bench vise as a press. There we go. Bearing race is out. There it is. There's my race. And now I can clean this part up and get the new ones installed. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.